We are picking the girls up from my mother's because they had a sleepover, and we're gonna arrive with Diet Coke and Coke Zero for my dad. Dan's getting regular Coke. Perfect. Good boy. You're so cutie. Now we are running into Home Depot. My dad's meeting us here because we need help with his truck. Getting a big piece of paneling to finish my office downstairs. The fresh smell of pastoral trees.
Coming here, and he went to the wood section. He's like, "Who killed all these trees?" And he's looking, just yelling, "Did you? Did you? Did you?" And he's just hopping on the ground, and he's hearing all, "Did you? Did you?" And he's like all around town. What? I'm starving.
When we get home, I'm gonna make snack wraps. Put that back. We don't need that. This is what we need, and that's why we need my dad, because it's huge.